Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can create a QR code for your Facebook page. At first, tap on the three dots here and then go to copy link at the bottom, and once it's done, go to your Google and search for free QR code generator and tap on this QR5, the first one. From there, it will ask you to log in. Since I'm already logged in, it will show me a page like this. Once I tap on QR code, it will show me what type I want. So basically, I want a website. So all I have to do is click on this one and then next. And then you have to put the copied link. And if you want, you can put a password. For now, I'm just putting it like this and then click on next. And then you see they give you a bunch of options like this one. Suppose I like this one, so I'll click on this one, and then you can put this text whatever you want, and then color, then background color, and then style, suppose this one, and then there are a bunch of options, but it's up to you. Then click on next. Once you do, it says it has been successfully created, you see at the bottom. So once you tap on it and then click on download and then save it however you want to, suppose I'll save it as png and then download. And there you go. Your QR code has been generated. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And until then, take care.